It looks like I have 100-inch TV in my house, and it's freaking high quality, high definition. It's awesome. Looking for any projectors or I guess speakers. Been unboxing, and what I have right here is 29-inch stereo sound bar system. It's crazy because I mean the radio I have is not working that well. Opened it up, and this is what it has. Like it has right here, I guess the adapter, AC DC adapter, a couple other stuff. I'm about to connect it right now and see how it works. So I connected everything, I installed everything. Now that I have everything installed to my projector, it looks like it's working pretty well. I'm about to start putting some movies. This is so I can start seeing the sound quality. The quality of the sound is amazing. And my projector is like so immersed in the sound. It's so awesome, man. You know, so you can connect it to your projector. Like I have it connected to my projector. And my projector is also a
it's a nice day for grilling, right?
Perfect day for grilling.
Good day to eat pizza too.
Bomaker
So I'm gonna
TV. I would recommend this. A projector and a speaker.
Use our hands. We're gonna pick it up. It's gonna stretch a bit more, so the piece will get a little bit bigger. And we're gonna pop it right on.
All right.
One nice motion. Ready?
Yep.
It looks like an HD TV, like super high definition. Like it's like a 4K TV,
2 to 3 minutes until we get 8K, nice and then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. So that's been 2 minutes. You can see we've got some big bubbles.
Yeah.
These are going to get squashed when we flip it over.
All right.
We're just going to use your move.
Okay, guys. So this is my review on the speakers that I talked to you guys about. So if you guys are on the lookout for the market to try to get a speaker like this, I definitely would recommend what I just put on. And thanks for watching. Okay, everybody, take care. And it also comes with a remote. It has a 29-inch stereo sound bar system with Bluetooth wireless technology, 2 high-powered speakers built in, slim space saving and tabletop design. Supply wall bracket gives you the option of mounting the sound bar on your wall. Connect to a TV or receiver via RCA audio jack. Connect to any audio device via 3.5 mm aux in port. Built-in digital optical input. Remote control toggle between Bluetooth wireless technology, aux in digital optical input, AC operation, AC adapter included. A couple of other stuff that are also included: a 6 feet optical audio cable. Remote control uses 1X CR2029 battery included. I guess that's a battery. 3.5 mm aux in connecting cable and an AC DC adapter.